Well, basically quite simple reason, because our existing line was really end of lifetime and the line was had less flexibility. So enough reasons to aim for a new line.
The old shelf we have was really a strong product, but we see the development in the e-commerce for storage for clothes, for example, that you don't need to store the really heavy products. So we want to add some additional light shelves to the product range, but that was not able to make it on the old line. So we want to do product improvement, and at the same time, for that new products, we want to build some new technology.
To create technology, let's say, which can manufacture that quite complex new innovative product. Of course, this was the primary focus. But secondly, to have the technology a little bit open and very flexible to higher variability and, let's say, bigger range of the product than the range in the past. I think I can reply it from my perspective in a very concise way. I was very confident about high level of technical competence, and WEMO was the only company in the selection procedure showing us also how they want to govern the project. And for me, always the project management is key success factor. So,
what is in the DNA of NEDCON is not to run away, but to solve the problems, and that exactly was what we also experienced, that the same philosophy at WEMO.
The things that Erik just mentioned are I think, similar for us. I also want to add transparency, because in a project which is a major investment for them, transparency is key. Even with setbacks or things that didn't go according to plan, you still need to be transparent. And that basically, I think, stimulates the trust that you have in each other, that you're doing something good for both.
We felt, well, we do it together. We have one goal, one ambition, from the starting point till the handover of the machine. Every time, well, challenging each other, discussing, sharing knowledge, all with the aim to make the final result as good as it could be.
To be honest and be open when there is an issue, discuss it, find a solution together to get to the good result.
It's also nice when you have a customer with which you can discuss the product. And to be involved in an early stage gives you the advantage that you can just tweak the line, tweak the technology to fit the customer best, but also to fit WEMO best, to make the best solution for both parties.
We have a machine which is to our liking and which enables us to take all the opportunities we see in the market. We already have experienced that it has already resulted in quite nice orders.
It's interesting to see how a team who did not know NEDCON on forehand grabs the challenge to build a flexible line according to our wishes, requirements. And sometimes it's not what was the initial idea, but we always found a solution that worked out well, and we were satisfied with it, yes.